Welcome to the ECOPS Idea Management Module, your organization's central hub for innovation.
Technical Committee roles and responsibilities. The Technical Committee plays a central role in evaluating and managing ideas within the organization. It is composed of heads of departments from key functions such as HR, production, quality, marketing, etc. The committee ensures that all submitted ideas are reviewed with technical accuracy and business relevance. The technical reviewer has 4 roles to play, namely 1. Reviewing and tagging the idea into project, I2, I3, and I4. 2. Assigning project to project manager. 3. Acting as a steering committee member to approve/reject a project. 4. Scoring the implemented project as steering committee member. Let's understand in details how the 4 roles are played in the Idea Management module of ECOPS software. Let's learn about the first role, which is reviewing and tagging the idea into project. Once you log in as a technical user, you enter the software and select the Idea Management module. After that, you are redirected to the home screen. On the home screen, you will find the Idea Status dashboard. Here, you can view all the ideas and projects that are part of the technical committee. At this stage, ideas are usually waiting for approval. In the dashboard, identify ideas that are marked as approval pending or have an unknown idea type. These indicators show that the idea has not yet been reviewed by a technical reviewer. To begin reviewing, click on the Review option to carefully analyze the idea. If you feel that the idea has been assigned to the wrong department, you can go ahead and reassign it to the appropriate department. Next, you are given 4 options. 1. Reject. 2. Park. 3. Archive. 4. Acknowledge. If you choose Reject, the system will ask to provide a reason explaining why the idea is being rejected. If you select Park. Park is a provision to hold on the idea for further investigation if needed to take the decision. If you select Archive. Archive is to delete the idea completely from the system. If the idea shows potential, you can select the Acknowledge option. Once you acknowledge the idea, you need to tag it as I2, I3, or I4, depending on the type and complexity of the idea. After tagging, you are required to rate the idea based on 5 parameters: strategic rating, customer acquisition, compliance requirements, business value, dependencies. Each parameter is rated from low to high, where 1 star represents low and 3 stars represent high. After completing the ratings and tagging, you can also add comments if needed. Finally, click on Mark as Accepted. This takes care of the first role, which involves reviewing and tagging the idea into project. Let's learn about the second role of assigning project to project manager. Once at least 2 steering committee members approve the idea, it is formally considered a project and is routed back to the technical reviewer for assignment. The reviewer navigates to the Approved Project Review section, fills in the required details such as project expectations, project manager, priority, and start timeline, and then assigns the project. After reviewing all inputs, the reviewer confirms the assignment to initiate execution. This takes care of the role of assigning project to project manager. The third role is about acting as a steering committee member and approving the project. Please note that the technical reviewer cannot approve a project for his or her respective department. Let's get started. Once you log in as a steering committee user, enter the software and navigate to the Idea Management section. You will be redirected to the home screen. From here, click on the Idea Status dashboard. On the dashboard, you will be able to view all the projects that are part of the steering committee. These projects will be in a pending state, waiting for approval. To proceed, select a project and click on the Review option. In the Review section, you will have two options: Approve or Reject. If you choose to reject the project, you will be prompted to provide a reason for the rejection. If you choose to approve the project, a confirmation message will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to approve this project?" Once you confirm and click on Approve, the project will be approved. Please note, a project requires a minimum of 2 approvals to be fully approved. This covers the role wherein the technical reviewer approves the project as a steering committee member. The final role is scoring the implemented project as steering committee member. Let's get started. Once a steering committee member is ready to evaluate a project, navigate to the Implemented Projects. Click on Review. To understand the idea in detail, click on the plus icon to expand and view the idea information. If you are already familiar with the idea, you can directly proceed. However, if you have any queries such as cost-saving calculations or other project details, click on the respective plus icon sections to explore further information. After gaining complete clarity about the project, proceed to the scoring section. The evaluation is based on 5 key parameters: idea effectiveness, idea sustainability, idea scalability, idea return on investment, idea impact on ESG. Each parameter provides 4 scoring options. The steering committee member must select the most appropriate option for each category. Based on the selected inputs, the system will automatically calculate the overall project rating and score using its internal algorithm. Once all parameters are evaluated, click on Submit Scores to complete the review process. This takes care of all the roles of the technical reviewer in the Idea Management module of ECOPS software.